Hello everyone! Today we will talk about brain training with the power of Sudoku. Yes, you heard that right. Sudoku is not only a fun puzzle game, but it can also help sharpen your mind and improve your cognitive skills. So let's dive into the world of Sudoku and see how it can improve our brain health. Sudoku is a crossword puzzle with a unique design where the numbers are arranged in rows, columns, and blocks, with fillers designed to fit between the numbers. The object of Sudoku is to fill the grid with numbers so that the resulting puzzle is valid, meaning that no two numbers can be added to the same row, column, or block. Now, you might be wondering what makes Sudoku such a fantastic brain training tool. Sudoku requires you to use your memory, attention, concentration, and analytical skills. It challenges your brain to think critically and creatively by forcing you to fill cells with numbers in a logical and consistent manner. Here are some of the brain training benefits of doing Sudoku. 1. Improves memory. As you practice filling in the table with numbers, your brain is constantly learning and remembering new information. 2. Improves concentration. Sudoku requires you to focus and pay attention to details, which can help improve your ability to concentrate. 3. Improves analytical skills. Sudoku involves problem solving and critical thinking, which can help improve your analytical skills. 4. Boosts cognitive function. Practicing Sudoku can help improve your memory, concentration, and problem-solving skills, ultimately leading to a more efficient and sharper mind. So how can you get started with Sudoku for brain training? Sudoku books and online resources are available at bookstores, online retailers, and even newspapers. There are also Sudoku apps for smartphones and tablets to help you practice at your own pace and convenience. Remember, even if you're not a Sudoku pro, a few minutes a day, practicing this brain-teasing puzzle can have a positive impact on your cognitive abilities. So go ahead and challenge your brain with Sudoku. Get a sharper mind in no time.